Hey guys, it's Troy Casey, certified health nut here in the Vortex, Sedona, and I have one of the pillars of society here, of the community, my man Jai. He works at the Chocolate Tree, so we're going to talk about the Chocolate Tree and all the magic that's here. And so Jai's also making herbal formulas, and he's got something for us right here, one of my favorites. So Jai, tell us a little bit about yourself, what you're doing here at the Chocolate Tree, and how long you guys have been doing it. Take it away.
Wow, okay, Chocolate Tree's been up and doing its thing and evolving and growing and expanding in this beautiful space, and you know, where the garden is the most central point of Chocolate Tree for many reasons.
Pure magic. Vortex in the vortex.
Yeah, it is actually. Yeah. So anyway, Chocolate Tree's been since going on 13 years, and we're chocolatiers, superfoodists, herbalists,
Chocolate's the best.
Vegetarians, vegans, plant-based.
All organic.
Yeah.
Biodynamic.
All organic, yeah. We have an extensive waste management program that we run ourselves. We're down to one residence trash can for an entire restaurant. That is unheard of in the industry.
And you have sacred water here too, right? You've got
artesian well water. Everything that's happening here is so blessed, no doubt. And of course I get to see Troy because Troy loves to come here. And he's always an absolute blessing. And everything that he's offering to the community here too as well, that I'm taking part in, like the Man Clan being one of them. Very, very much needed for us throughout the world. But anyway, too, and I want to introduce Jai Shiva Potent Pine Pollen Extract. And
a Sasquatch blend.
This is a program I've been led by Spirit to launch. And it's to honor the divine masculine, it's to honor the masculine in general. That's why I'm calling it Jai Shiva, victory be to the masculine, and to support us in this day and age with testosterone levels dropping because of phytoestrogens, xenoestrogens, and on and on and on. So anyway, here's the offering, guys, and thanks for letting me share that, Troy.
Where can people find more information about you? I mean, you come to the Chocolate Tree.
Come to the Chocolate Tree in Sedona, West Sedona,
He's
Arizona.
The greeter and the jack of all kitchen trades and everything else. He's awesome. He's always supported me, always been super friendly. You want some love, you really want to feel the love,
I'm the bringer of love. Bringer of love, yes. So, yeah. Anyway, what else can we say?
So come to the Chocolate Tree, which is in the center. You can't miss it, in the center of Sedona. But tell people about you and the Pine Pollen too. Where they can get a hold of you.
My handle on Instagram is Oakwise. One word, Oakwise, translates to Druid. So keep in touch.
Oakwise translates to Druid. I love that. Yeah. I love that. I'm a Celt myself. And so good. Okay, so come by and say hi to Jai, and that's it. Have a great day.
Peace.